Today I'm going up to Scotland to get the van fitted out. I've got 8-hour drive ahead of me and it's 4 o'clock because I've had to finish work. So let's get on with it and let's get the van finished. Right, 7 hours up to Scotland to see Hamish and Craig, the founders of the Ply Guys, and they do some absolutely sick furniture, and I'll link them in the description. Right, morning. Sorry if I look a bit rough. It's because it was a bit of a cold night because I only bought the maybe 2 thin sleeping bags. But here we are in Scotland. I'm in a lay-by just down the road from the Ply Guys, and we're going to go and pick up the furniture in about 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm literally about 2 minutes away from them. So let's get it done. Out here in rainy Helensburgh at the moment. It's quite wet, so I'm just going to go to the cafe while I wait a few hours for the van fit out to be done. So catch up with me in a minute once I've got a brew. Okay, welcome back to the van build. Today I'm in the beautiful Oxfordshire and I'm just going to go through what furniture I've picked up from Scotland. So without any further delay, let's get on with it. So this is the kitchen unit. So this bottom left drawer is for your fridge, and I've got in the moment the centre console in there. I'll just give it a good slap here, quality. That's going to go in the middle, and then above that is essentially the cook station. So this is where the cooker's going to go. I'll put it on the top when I'm actually cooking inside, but yeah, nice nifty place to put all your cutlery, which is pretty sick. And then the 2 cupboards on the right hand side, they're absolutely massive. You know, they go quite a way back. I might get away with not putting any electrics in these, but obviously I'm going to have a sink in the top, so there will be a sink that goes in there. But yeah, plenty of storage, which is super important. On the right here, I got the slide out drawer, which is just super useful for clothes or shoes or whatever. And the best thing is you don't even have to be in the van to get it open. So a great sort of option extra that I added from the guys up in Scotland, the Ply Guys, which was a great extra. So the back unit is called the Asin, and I've got this unit specifically because of the storage options. So on the right hand side I've got just loads of storage, and on the left I've got the cook station. So if I want to cook outside I can, but otherwise you've just got loads of storage, 2 little flippy up table extensions on the end, and it's just a really versatile space. The van's also got loads of really cool features like this amazing little pop-up extension on the kitchen unit, and also the table, which is super easy to use, and they're in a lot of campers, you know, one of those sort of twist and put in ones, but it's super rigid. There's storage really for miles in this, so I've got an internal locker each side on the bed unit, so I can access another almost metre length worth of space. And then really the bed unit is the last thing. It's super simple. It just uses 3 little panels. So you just slot the 3 sort of panels in, shove the cushions in, sort of nice and simple, give it a good little TP motion, and then literally just grab the others, and then it just makes a full-size bed. And what's best is under the bed unit, there's absolutely a million ways to get to anything that's under the bed unit. So both of the large storage lockers have got top access. As you can see there, it's going to be super useful if it's rainy or windy or I don't want to go outside. This little locker at the back hopefully is going to have my electrics in it and a battery. And that'll cut, that video will come out in the next couple of weeks when I've done it. And again, you can access the other side over here. I've just got like a random battery in there at the moment that powers the LEDs when I want them on. And then again, the rear sort of locker there is just for the wheel arch access. But again, like, they really thought of everything. Loads of little cutouts so I can run wires without drilling any of their good work. Make sure you check out their sort of website, theplyguys.co.uk. I'll link them in the description. I'm not sponsored by them at all. They just make super great, versatile, user-friendly equipment. And you know, if you want a van that looks a little bit different to your average van, then you need to get some of this stuff in your van. They've thought of everything. They do VWT 4s, 5s, Land Rovers, Vivaros, Traffics, Ducatos, long wheelbase, short wheelbase, high top, low top. They do the lot. So there's really no van they haven't fitted out, and the whole process just starts with a phone call. So just give them a ring. They were super helpful for me throughout the whole sort of journey, from inception, ordering, and to fit out. And I really would recommend them super highly. They're really enthusiastic, super motivated, and they just love what they do. And when you get that kind of mix, you get like a really good product at the end. Tune in sort of the next couple of weeks for the diesel heater and the electrics. Thanks a lot for watching. As always, if you like what you see, subscribe, just follow the journey, and I appreciate you all, and see you on the next one.